Good morning children, welcome to the math class. Today we will do a new chapter 14. It's chapter 14 factorization based on algebraic expression. The concept is on algebra. Exercise 14.1, very easy and very interesting chapter. So first question number 1, how to do the sum, how to solve the sum. Slowly we will come to know all the things. Find the common factors of the given terms. Common factors in junior classes also you have find out. Common factor means highest common factor, lowest common multiple factor. You have to find out now factor only. So highest common factor, you are familiar with this word, highest common factor. Here also you have to find the common factors. So in the number 12x, one term is 12x, another is 36. You have to find the common factors of this all. Remember in junior classes you have learned how to find the common factors. 12x, 12, you know that 12 if I in factors method you can divide 12 6 ja 2 6 ja 12 again by 2, you can divide it by 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 will be the prime factors of 12. So 1 always you can write 1 if you want to write, write. If you don't want to write, don't write, but 1 is there. 1 into 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3, and as because x is there, so I have written x also. Similarly 36. Similarly, when we are finding the prime factors of 36, we can see that 2 18s are again divided by 2 9s are, 9 means 3 into 3. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here there are no x or any variables, so we have not written any variables here. So what are the common factors? Common factors, 1 is always a common factor. Now 2, 1 2 you can take from both the numbers, 1 2 also, another 2 also you can take from both the numbers, and 1 3 also you can take from both the terms. But x I can't take, and these 3 is extra here. So what is the common factor? So common, can you see? Common factors are 1 into 2 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what is the number? 2 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the common factor of 12x and 36 is 12. I hope this will be easy for you. In the same way, next question, question number 3. Few questions are very easy and same. I am leaving few sums for you. 14pq, comma 28p square q square. 14pq means 14 means 2 into 7. If you want to write 1, then 1 into 2 into 7, 14, and then 1p and 1q, p and q. So p and q also the factors. Now another one is 28, p square q square. 28 means 28 means 2 2 1 ja 2 4 ja, again by 2 7 ja. So 2 into 2 into 7, 2 into 2 into 7. After that p square means 2p you have to write, and 2q also, q will come 2 times. Now what are the common factors? Oh, I have not written 1 here, right? Now 1 is always there, so 1 2 and 1 7. P you can take 1 time, q also you can take 1 time. So the common factor, common factors, what are the common factor of this? Now I can see that 1 2 7 p q. So 7 to the 14, 14 ones are 14 pq. 14 pq will be the common factor because 14 pq is inside 28 p square q square. How I can find out this? Because I can, when I have expand them in the prime factors form, then it is very clear. Now next question is question number 4, 2x, 3x square, 4. Now 3 terms are there, that means 1 into 2 into x. 3x square, that means 1 into 3 into x. 4 means 1 into 2 into 2. So what are the common factors which we can see in all the numbers, all the terms. See, 1 is here, only 1 is the common factor. 2 is here and here, but not in all the terms. X is here and here, but not here. So the common factor here is only 1. Understood? Next sum is 6 ABC, question number 5. Here you are writing 6 ABC. That means 6 means 2, 1 into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3 into A, B, C. A into B into C. Now when it is 24, AB square, then 24 means 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 1 A is there, so A, and 2 times B. So B into B. Okay. Now what happened? You have to write this one also, 12 A square B. 12 means 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 2 is 12. A square, that means A into A and then B. Now the common factors are, 1 we can take, always we have to take other, if I don't write 1, then in the previous sum you can see that if I have not, 1 was not there, then what I will take as a common factor, nothing was there except 1. So here also I am taking 1, okay, then 2, then 1 3 is here, everywhere I can see 1 3, so I can take 3 as common. A, 1A I can take, and B also, 1B I can take from everywhere. So these are the common factors. So what are the common factors? 2 into 3 into A into B. That means 6A B. Last sum of this number, question number 1. This will be the last one. 3x square y cube. 3x square y cube. That means 1 into 3. X square means x will come 2 times, and y cube means y will come 3 times. 10 x cube y square. 10 means 1 into 2 into 5. X cube means x will come 2 times, 3 times, and y square means y will come 2 times. Y square, y will come 2 times. Next is 6 x square y square z. 6 means 1 into 2 into 3. 2 3 is 6, 6 1 is 6. X square, x into x, y square, y into y into z. Z is 1 times, so 1. Now find out the common factor. Common factors are 1, I will take always 1. So 1 into 2 is not here. 3 is only here but not here. So I can't take any number now except 1. Now I can take x. Single x I can take from here. Double x also, x also I can take, x square also I can take. Y, yes, 1 y I can take from here, here and here. Another y also I can take 1, 2 and 3. So these are the common factors what I can able to take, I have taken. Now 1 and then x into x and y into y. So what are the numbers? X square, y square. This is the only common factor from this sum. I hope this will be easy for you. Practice this. Enjoy the sums. Thank you, students.